Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. In my previous video I just made a few minutes ago, but I forgot to mention the indices, so I'm going to make a separate video. Several requests for update. So let's get started. This is the chart I made for US 30 on July 27th, and today is August 17th. Okay, so this is the chart I said 35,627 with the black number. Excuse me. So this is probably going to stop it here, right there. See this yellow band? And so far, what happened to this chart and where we stand in US 30 is this. So right exactly there, we start to make the turn. First week, second week, and right now the current week is also black going down. Okay, so this is how US 30 is. And the other one was Nasdaq. And this is the chart that same day I made on the July 27th. After the shooting star, the first chart was on the shooting star. The next week, there was a bullish candle, but I said, okay, this is like a harmonic pattern, and it's called from 61 to 161 is a crab pattern. That's what they call it, right? So I said, okay, it's a perfect at this 157.18, and it will also gonna drop here. X, A, B, C, D is finished, and after that, we'll come to this outer tier. So far, what happened to this one? If we go take a look, was that Nasdaq? Here, this is what happened. So right from there, it started dropping. So far, we are here, and these are the numbers. Next, these are gone. All right, so the next number would be this one and this one. So I say this would be most probable number here, or maybe even all the way here to this rising tail, and then this high. Who knows, right? So let's see what happened. This one, Nasdaq. What else I had the chart for S&P 500. And it is also a harmonic pattern called butterfly pattern, right? The different calculation for different these patterns. So X, A, B, C, B is at 78%, C is at 38%, then usually goes to 127 or 161 and then make the turn. So I said somewhere here from, right there, because the butterfly pattern is finished, maybe we'll go up to this high here. This was already touched at 45.50, but I thought maybe it will just pop to the upside here to 46.34, and then it's gonna drop. And so far, this one is where the heck it go? Oh, okay, here. So see, it went up a little bit, didn't even go quite touching 46.34, but it started to drop from there, and again, so far it's powerfully dropping. So more to come to the downside. S&P 500. And last but not the least is DAX. So I made this chart saying that this is the highest it could go, double top here, and then this also may drop. And DAX is this. So right there, this is the band 62, 94. So I said we're going to be dropping below that, and then went up a little bit above that, and then start to come down now. Right. So these are the charts I changed and did it yesterday. I wanted to make the video, but I forgot. So I said maybe I'll make it midweek recap and then show all these charts, but I forgot that as well. So I just made that video, and then this is the one for the indices. By the way, gold. And the gold, what it is doing is this. I mean, it was my chart on the May 27, not June, but May 27. I made this chart that it is dropping. So from here, it may go all the way to 1877 before it mounts. Right. So currently, what we are doing is this. So that chart, I made it from here to come down to 1877. So it came down very close, not touching the 1877, but very close, and then bounced a little bit. And now again, it's coming powerfully to the downside to touch that 1877. So right now it is at this low here, 1892. And let's see if we drop a little bit more to 1877, and then it will probably gonna go up. That's my stance right now. Go to watch 1877 for a bounce. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And again, warning about my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is, the name of my Telegram channel is Creative Trading System. And there are a couple of trading channels, Telegram channels are running under my YouTube channel name, which is My Forex Magic Wave. They are some people, imposters, using my name and my profile picture and running fake Telegram channels. So be aware of that. Don't be a part of it. They are fraudsters, and they are asking investment money, thousands of dollars, and they will run away with that. So be very careful. This is the only channel I have, the Telegram channel with the name Creative Trading System. Okay. I put this warning in every video and every description of every video, just to keep people safe. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week.